So in today's video, I'll be showing you on how you can change your country on SoundCloud. So let's get started. So first of all is that you want to tap on the library button on the bottom right here once you are in the app and signed into your account. Once you're here, what you need to do is to tap here on the pencil or edit icon right here. And then once you're here, you want to tap on the country. So now you can now choose the country that you'd want. So for example, I would want to go for United States. So I'm just going to go for letter U, which is right here. And now from here, tap on United States. So depending on the country you'd want. And then the city in here, you could just type it out. So let's say Chicago right there. And that's it. And now from here, you could also add some bio if you'd want. So when you tap here on save, your country and city will now be updated, as you can see right here. And that's it on how you can change your country on SoundCloud. Thank you for watching.